When I moved from Brazil 4 years ago, we started working with the heavy gear, and then this relationship we start with materials. After then, we start develop new material for the gym, not just pads but gloves. What is the best glove? What is the best glove to hit bag? What is the best glove to do fight? What is the best glove to work MMA? It is questions like that make the brand grow up every time, because sometimes the guys put material in the market, but material doesn't work, don't fit for fighters. This, I think, is the future. A relationship like that, like we have with Heavy Gears, building good stuffs for the gym, building good stuffs for the fighters. Fighter need to feel comfortable when he train, not just for hit people, but feel comfortable and safety too. This is the first, I think, is the first thing Heavy Gear think to put the material in the market. Safety, not just safety for fighters, but safety to people to hold pads, to hold beats. This makes difference for us. I think we almost there, the perfection. We're almost there, the perfection, because every day we try to find the perfection. What I take care of with my fighters, we try to figure out the gyms the best way to build the champs. I think I have the perfect partner, because Heavy Gear work with us to do that, to build the fighters, to build the best way, to build the best material to put in the market. No something just to sell, something safety for you, something safety for us, professional guys. Because sometimes when the guys go to the gym, the guys put their life up there. The guys put their life sometimes in our hands, in the coach hands. It's the best way to do this. The name is responsibility. We have a responsibility for you. We have a responsibility of your body. We have a responsibility with your mind. In partners like Heavy Gear make difference for us. We try every day the best material, not just for fighters, but for you. You guy who never trained before, for you beginner, for you professional. When we think about material, we think about people take care about you.